So today we are going to discuss about the basic differences in coding and programming. So till now the thought of many people is that coding and programming are the same. They either use the word coding or programming. So let me tell you the difference between coding and programming, and this is a basic question which an interviewer can ask you, that tell me about the difference of coding and programming. So we are going to learn that. So let's get started. So basically let me start with an example that when you want to turn on your AC, you just click a on button on your AC remote and your AC gets turned on. You want to close the same, you click the close button and it closes. Same with the increasing and decreasing the temperature. So basically how is it happening? Like when we press the on button, it is a giving of input. That is referred as coding. And when our AC turns on, so basically that is the output, and we give this name as programming. So it is a simple definition that the input which we give, which turns in a mechanical output, is basically programming. So coding is basically when you write a simple code, a simple palindrome number code or Fibonacci series code. So that all these things are code. And when you design a software or when you design any app, and in that the coding and the deploying of that model, then giving it a try, then the final output which you get as a software or a program, that is basically programming. So in my last video I told about the machine learning, AI, data science and deep learning with the help of Venn diagram. So same today I am going to make a Venn diagram and tell you that where is programming and where is basically the coding. So see that when we make a big circle, and see basically this is the programming, and the subset of programming is the coding. Understand it with one more example, that you have a tree, and in that tree you have fruits. So basically the fruits are the coding and that tree is the programming. As here coding is the subset of programming, in the same way take that fruits are the coding and that tree is the programming. So this is the basic difference between the coding and programming. So let's write the definition for coding and programming. So basically coding, it is the ability to understand the syntax of a line. Basically syntax is that way in which we write, and basically syntax is the fix for all the things. So basically coding, it is the ability to understand the syntax of a line. When you understand the syntax and you write a small pieces of line, so basically that is the coding. And now moving to the programming, you can take a screenshot or note it down. Now basically the programming. So what is the definition of programming? So let me write in a cleaner handwriting. My handwriting is very bad. Yes, no, fine. So programming is the ability to translate a code into a program. As I told you about the on and off the AC. So when you click on the on button, your AC on. So when you click, that is the coding. And when your really AC gets on, so that is the basically programming. So there is some code behind that program. When that code runs with all other applications and all other things mixture, then this is the programming. So in code it is a syntax of lines, and in program it is the ability to translate a code into a program. Now let's see in programming that what other things involve. So programming involves coding, analyzing, implementing, debugging, compiling, and last is testing. So basically a programming contains all these things: coding, analyzing, implementing, debugging, compiling and testing. Is it not like this that only you did a coding of many lines and you say that this is the programming? No. Programming consists of many of things, and it is the main output which we get from all these inputs. So these are coding, analyzing, implementing the program, implementing the function whatever you have used, debugging, compiling, and at last testing. And when the testing gets passed, then the final is called as a programming. So I think that this is clear in your minds that coding and programming are not two same things. They both are different. Coding is a subset of programming. So I hope this would be clear to you. And this is all for this video. In the next video, I am coming up with some quizzes for you related to the previous videos which I had already posted. And please watch the video till the last and give me the answers in the comment box, as in the last there is a surprise for you. So thank you and bye bye.